question. How was it here on Sodor? When you arrived, I mean. When I arrived? Well, that was many years ago indeed. Marin used to be the end of the line, and, well, I was in my FR paint job.
Only consistency in your periphery is fear in the bridge of your nose. And as you move about, you learn to tune them out, but they say they continue to grow. Fear of the past and relative pain. Future's coming fast, you've got nothing in the tank. In a season of purging things you used to love, everything must go. Make an oath and make mistakes. Start a streak you're bound to break when darkness rolls on you. Push on through. Push on. You don't quite mind. You don't quite mind.
What? Oh. Good morning. Just you watch, little Edward, as I rush through with the express this afternoon. It'll be a fine sight for you. He's a silly engine, thinking he's the most important. We're all important. The shame of it, the shame of it. Oh. Hello, Gordon. Some express you have there, Gordon! Shut up, Edward. I won't do it. Trucks are disorganized. Coaches, however, come quietly. What? Well, don't send Edward to help. He's old iron. He couldn't push or pull anything if he even tried a bit. Hello, Gordon. I'm just here to help. It's no need. I don't need your help, especially up this hill. I can do it on my own. Really? Okay then. Go ahead. With these trucks. Pah! Alright. You ready, Gordon? I can't do it. I will do it. I can't do it. I will do it. I said I can't. Wait. Yes. Yes. I've done it. He didn't say thank you. Wooden brick blocks? Pah! There's used to be an empty box.
Wooden bricks don't mean I'm useless, okay? I'm just as useful as you and Edward.
Be that as it may, I can still pull the express.
Just because you pull the express doesn't mean you're the most important.
What?
What are you looking at? Huh?
What are you two? Why, bless me!